Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Stay home, stay safe, maintain social distance. Today my topic is industries for class 8th. First of all, I am going to define industry. An industry is a group of companies that are related based on their primary business activities. Individuals, companies are generally classified into an industry based on them largest sources of revenue. Have you ever given thoughts of that fact that notebook you have been writing come to after your a long process of manufacturing? It started is itself as a part of a tree. It was cut down and transported to the pulp mill. There, the wood of the tree was proceeded and converted into wood pulp. The wood pulp was mixed with chemicals and finally changed into paper by machines. This paper found its way to the press where ink made from chemicals was used to print the lines on the pages. These pages were then bound in the form of notebook, packed and sent to the market for sale. Finally, it reached your hands. Secondary activities are manufacturing change raw materials into products of more value to people. As you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of their manufacturing process. The paper made from pulp and the cloth made from the cotton have had value added to them at each stage of the manufacturing process. In this way, the finished products has more value and utility than the raw materials that it is made from. Industry refers to an economic activities that is concerned with production of goods, extractions of minerals or provisions of services. Thus, we have iron steel industry, production of goods, coal mining industry, extraction of coal, and tourism industry services provided. Classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw material, size, and ownership. Raw material. Industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based, and forest-based, depending on the type of raw materials they use. Agro-based industries use plants and animals-based products as the raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oils, cotton textiles, dairy products, and leather industries are examples of agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries are primary industries that minerals, ores as the raw materials. The products of these industries feed other industries are made from the iron or in the product of mineral-based industries. This is used as a raw material for the manufacturing of number of other products such as heavy machinery, buildings, materials and railway, coaches. Marine-based industries use products from the sea and oceans as a raw materials. Industries processing seafood of or manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Forest-based industries utilize forest produce as a raw material. The industries associated with the forests are pulp and paper, pharmaceutical, furniture, and buildings. Size. It refers the amount of the capital invested, number of people employed, and the volume of production. Based on size, industries can be classified into small-scale and large-scale industries. Small-scale industries are those industries which produce light goods and employ a small number of people Large-scale industries are those industries which produce big and heavy products and employ a large number of people for their work. Cottage or household industries are a type of a small-scale industries also. Ownership industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned or public sector, joint sector, cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. The public sector industries owned and adopted by the government such as Hindustan Aeronautic Limited and Steel Authority of India. Giant sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Marvati Udyog Limited is an example of giant sector industries. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw material, workers, or both. Anand Malik Union Limited and Sudha Dairy and as success stories of a cooperative venture. Thanks.